How to block Roblox on your Android device. This tutorial shows you how to set an app timer through digital well-being to limit or completely block access to Roblox on your Android device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, scroll down and tap on Digital Well-being and Parental Controls. From there, tap on App Timers to open the App Timer settings. At this point, tap on the Add Timer or the plus icon to set a timer for a specific app. In the next step, a list of all your installed apps will appear on the screen. Scroll through and find Roblox. Following this, tap on Roblox to select it, and then tap Done to confirm your selection. Once done, tap on Add Schedule to set up when and how long Roblox can be used. From here, set the time limit for how long Roblox can be accessed. Once the timer runs out, the app will be automatically blocked for the rest of the day. At this stage, if you want to block Roblox completely, just set the timer to the minimum duration so it locks almost immediately after being opened. Finally, tap Save to confirm your schedule, and the app timer will now be active. Once the time limit is reached, Roblox will be grayed out and inaccessible until the timer resets the following day. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you block or limit Roblox on your device, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.